Okay guys, today we are at Playa, Lancha, and it's like this secluded beach. We're gonna have to hike through the jungle here, and apparently there's like lots of crocodiles and everything. There's warning signs, they're all covered. Scorpions, is that a scorpion sign? Let me see, that's like, yeah, crocodiles, iguanas, all kind of things. So it's just me and Casey here. This is a popular surfing beach. It's on the way to Punta de Mita from Bucerias. And we're going into the jungle here. So I think it's about a 10-15 minute walk, something like that. And you got to go through like crocodile water. So we'll see how that goes. All right. See you there. Oh, it's already moist. All right, here we go. Oh my God, we're going right into the jungle, hey? Oh, I see why there's crocs. There's water everywhere. Straight into the jungle, eh? Oh yeah, and there's swamps everywhere, which is why they say there's crocodiles. Prohibido. So they tried to shut this beach down. A few years back, they were gonna sell it off to resorts, I guess, and then the locals made a big complaint and actually won. They won access to the beach. It's crazy in here. You can hear the jungle is just alive. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty muddy.
It's not water, like there's no water, so that's good.
For right now, yeah, you just have to pay attention to what, if it's been raining a lot, I guess it can get pretty bad back in here. If it is drier, you're gonna be on the safe side for sure. I guess if it's really in the rainy season, it's almost not worth coming down here. What? And then they just died?
No.
It's a nice sandal, Quicksilver. Jungle wildflowers growing. You can smell them. I just went down to the water and I missed it on camera, but I saw a croc's head go down. A little tiny one. In case you got freaked out. Another freaking shade cactus. There's a cactus growing here randomly and it's like so shady. I don't understand that. They love the... Oh, here's another swamp that maybe there's crocs. All right, here's where it gets tricky. It's basically like a fucking bayou down here. You're not going in the water? I mean, I hope so. This is crazy. No wonder they warn you about crocs. What in the hell? Something like dug a hole in there. Look at that. Probably a big eel or something. All right, I think we go around here.
Yeah, I think that's a shortcut.
Okay, we're going in. Oh, we're stuck here. Where the fuck do we go? See, that's what I was worried about. And it's like there's crocs in here. Well, it kind of looks like you can go across here. Doesn't it?
Yeah. Or the wood.
God, that looks even shittier. Let's go back that way and see. This is not good, Veen. I guess we're going across this wood. How deep is it? Well, this is not what you want in crocodile infested waters, but hey, we'll take a chance. Columbus did. Okay, we're going barefoot through here. This is not ideal for me, but hey, let's just go. Fuck a croc. Why? Ew, it's all mush, dude. It's all fucking mush. Yikes. This is exactly what I was fucking worried about. Okay, we're trepsing through. This is fucking sketchy. There's goddamn crocs in here and The bottom is just like straight mush. Not ideal. This is Peligroso. Dangerous. And it's getting deep. A little bit deep there. Whoa. Oh, I fell over. Holy shit, we're going waist deep here. Yeah. This is fucking deep. Okay, let's just, come on, babe. Oh, it's shallow here now. Fuck. That is fucking sketchy, bro. Look at this like saguaro just growing in the jungle. I don't understand how they do that. So yeah, we made it through. Sketchy as fuck. And all, so we decided to go through crocodile infested waters. And now we're barefoot in here. It was a great adventure. And then 2 people came behind us and they're all like, what the fuck? We don't want to go through there. And we told them like, there's a trail around the side that we realized after we went through the freaking water. Big old iguana just sitting there on a log. Here's the second crossing. As we came, there was a whole bunch of, I don't know if they were fish or what.
Maybe fish.
Probably little fish that went down. Either that or crocs.
I hope so. But this is more, it's better.
Yeah,
Wait,
I guess.
we should go.
All right, second swamp done. Yeah, except on the way back. Threw it all over again. Look at this mud hole. Crazy trail down here, guys. Not for the faint of heart. If you're in the least bit scared of crocodiles, don't fucking come down here, because you will have to go over a swamp that could potentially have crocs in it. All right, so we're like probably 20 minutes in now, I bet, and I can hear the waves. So if you're in for a terrifying 20-minute hike and shoot down to a beach, then La Lancha Beach is for you. Playa La Lancha. Check it out if you're not terrified. Okay, we're here at the beach. Wow. There we have it. Playa La Lancha. Oh, nice. So here's the crocodile pond. Obviously, so the beach on one side, crocodile pond on the other. And what is that swimming under there? I don't want to get too close because that's how people get got. But yeah, definitely crocs in there somewhere. Sketchy shit. Crocodilios. Look at that surf. Nice waves for surfing, that's for sure. If I had my board, I'd tear it up. Yeah, I don't even have one. I have a paddle board, but not... I don't know how good that would do. Everywhere you go, you see a damn piece of garbage. A tire. Every beach you go to in the world, essentially. Okay guys, we're on our way back. Just slooshed through the swamp. Look at that croc right there.
A little one.
Little tiny croc. Maybe I can zoom in even further. Zoom in even further. Sorry about that blunder. I've had a few, if you know what I mean. There he is up close. Just a little guy, but a croc nonetheless.
We followed some locals and...
Some locals showed us this croc. They were like, hey, there's one right there. That's cool. Okay, guys, we made it out of the jungle.
We're alive.
It was a good adventure for sure. So we're gonna take a bus, guys. Right over here at the Oxo, back to Bucerias. It was a great adventure. Visit La Lancha Beach, Playa La
A
Lancha.
bit scared.